Welcome to Marcus Mam Adventures. As always, I'm Scott, and today we're going to be doing the final projects or parts on the red Porsche, the wife's 2002 Boxster. Um, so this one, got to get it cover pulled off and the seats pulled out of it, and then we'll get working on get it so it can be fully driven again. Still not done. I have to collect parts to do the roof, but after this, it should be a lot more comfortable to drive. All right, let's get to it.
Maybe you're not pessimistic.
Probably. I don't know how it could help you pass emissions. You're just adding something to your freaking exhaust.
Well, because like if you're running an octane booster, apparently like that could possibly make you not pass emissions.
Octane booster should help you pass emissions because it's adding more oxygen.
It should.
Yeah, you would think.
Actually, I have an octane booster. Should I put that in before I go?
I don't know. The first time, no. Just let it freaking. You want to see where it's at, because if you retest, your first retest is free. You just have to bring in your failed emission slip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then your next one is free. I hate these freaking bolts. Alright, then the last two, it's just 4 bolts. Comes out pretty freaking easy, actually. And just pull the seat off or out. You got wiring harness here. Always forget. You just pull, yeah, pulls out like that, and that's it. Whew. I need to get my camping shade or something, because this is ridiculous. Where's those bolts at? One there. They still in the chair and the seat. I don't know where they went. Let's go see. Whew. My fat ass is not meant for this. Alright, so grab me a chair, sit here in the shade. Get all the bolts out so I don't lose them. So the two things we're going to be replacing is a complete slide mechanism. We'll figure out how to take this apart, and then putting a new sling on. That's the biggest problem right now. You can barely even sit on it. Whoo! Getting a little bit lightheaded. Let's pause this for a minute. All right, so best I can tell is you pull these two clips out, and then Looks like these pry out. Maybe. Don't really know what I'm doing here. But yeah, it looks like there's just something just pulled. Yeah, looks like that, and that slides that way. Then, before I forget, I take that off, and again, just like there we go. All right, and then I think there's just that should be free in the front. Yeah, looks like it. So flip this around, and we'll have screw on each side here. Or 2 screws on each side. Oh, I just dropped a washer. Well, they could use the same freaking size Torx. So just wondering, T50 for the big ones and 45 for the small ones. Yeah, it looks like there's a plastic washer in the hinge, or nylon probably washer there, and will just be one more screw on this side. So put the nuts, don't lose it, and then it should just be presto change. All right, that's off. I don't know what that was. What was that? So a racket just came off. Just clipped in somewhere. As far as I can tell, there's no other. Is this mine different than this? Yeah, because this one doesn't have. Shit monkeys. So I got this bar, got this, and then this might be just on the outside. I got some part of this. So let's see. Alright. Okay, let's see here. I don't know where this bracket fell out of. Maybe here? On the outside? Figure that out. Oh, looks like I'm going to have to take the seat belt off as it goes with the seat. Do I have a seatbelt bracket? Yeah, seatbelt bracket there. Alright, so just take it here. But let's figure out what the hell's going on here. Oh, okay. Looks like there's maybe one more. Yep, got one more screw on each side. Right there, it looks like. And if we got our Torx, let's see if we can get it on this side first. Because I really want to take all this off. Those screws there. All right, what I'm taking off. This is freaking weird. Now this is assembled together. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that off and
Oh, it's the seat. I thought
Yeah.
you took the top off again.
No, just the seat.
What's wrong with the seat?
Replace the sliders?
Oh, do they not like work or
No,
something?
not really. They're really, really stiff.
No. I haven't been at all. I think the last time I ever was in the red Porsche was,
Yeah.
I think all the way before prom.
Probably. I don't know.
It's been a long time at least.
Freaking mildly complicated to just get the seat base off. It's freaking odd assembly, that's for certain.
Well, you're just certified as a Porsche technician now.
Yeah. Only all that's what it took. I could do making the big bucks.
Dude, if I had, there is a Porsche facility. I could actually go to that.
There we go.
Is it a stuffed seat?
Hmm?
Oh no, it's just like the foam degrading a little bit. Looked like it was stuffed with like something.
Alright, and then it looks like you pull. So there's, sorry, way over there not looking at anything. So we got that pulled, That goes, the electronics go up here. The only thing we got left is the actuator for the seat up and downy things. And then we need a torch there. And the rest should just come out. And this one is 220. You just push that pin all the way out, it looks like. And then push that out, push that out. And the seat should be free from. Yep, seat is free except for the seat belt on the other side. All right, last thing is the seat belt. Whew. That's a 17. All right. Whew, all right. Pause. I gotta get some water, and then we'll put this thing all together again. Okay, so to get, I think to be able to get the, already got this bottom out. I wasn't even trying, just kind of looking around. So this is your suspension, your sling, whatever the hell they call it. It's supposed to be all one piece, and that's what gives you your seat support. They wear out, rubber gets dry, all that stuff. I've got a new one in the house, I just gotta find it. This one has been broken. I tried fixing it with some zip ties, but the rubber was just too destroyed. It wouldn't hold together. So that I could probably have taken in, like, gotten some industrial glue, made a patch, but the part was like 45 bucks. I went ahead and ordered it a long time ago. You just come in, push it up like that. Pull it out. There we go. And that's that. I should freaking order a whole new seat base, like this part, and foam, but just having suspension here should change the driving quality a lot. It's not really necessary to have this all bolted up. It doesn't really do anything for the most part. It's just support. And once I have the sling in there, or suspension, the hammock, whatever, then it should solve most of the problems of having it down. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can't find that damn suspension. We'll come back out here. All right, so I cannot find the piece that we bought. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this strap here. I got some canvas strap. Got it to fix the suspension support on our patio furniture. That's because it's made out of rubber and it's kind of corroding and all that stuff. So I'm gonna take it and some JB Weld and just use that, see what I can do to freaking reinforce the existing one. And then if I ever find the other one, we'll just put it back on the or put it on her black Porsche. So for now, we're going to take and reassemble this seat, if at all possible, now that I've forgotten what I did. All right, here we go. All right, so first things first is trying to get the that on the inside. So all right, so it looks like right there. And so it doesn't really have, it goes through there. Okay, so there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I believe they all go, where's the old one?
The kids are asking about food, and I still haven't done my thing.
They could eat leftovers. I don't know.
That's what I told them. They're like, you were gonna make chicken, and then Izzy.
All right, so we got the bolt. What's up, buddy?
I just,
Huh?
kind of
Hi. I'm fixing it. Yep. What do you want? Huh?
I just want you fix it.
Oh, you want to let me fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, can you hand me that right there?
This?
Just that right there.
This?
Yep. Thank you.
Got any cool cards in your pocket today, Quincy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you got? Same ones or different ones?
Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
But this one isn't a Hot Wheel.
This one's a Hot Wheel? It looks like Chow. Is that
This
Chow?
one is.
Is that one your favorite?
Yeah.
You like watching the movie Cars?
Monster trucks, yeah.
Have you seen the Disney movie Cars with the Chow?
No.
Lightning McQueen?
Actually, yeah. Also, this one is a Hot Wheel too.
Yeah, that one's a Hot Wheel too. What kind of Hot Wheels is that one?
I don't know. It changed colors like this one does.
Oh, that one changed colors?
Yeah, it changes to purple and red. That's how much colors it could change to.
That's cool.
That's true.
How do you get it to change colors?
Put it in hot water or cold water.
Hot water, cold water.
Also, we have to plug this thing. And sometimes when we want to make it red, it just changes to red very fast.
That's...
Hey, can you hand me that orange thing that looks like a gun right there? Yeah. Thank you. This is called impact gun.
Yeah.
Or impact wrench. It's noisy.
Last time I heard you fixing a wheel on a truck.
Yep, that's right. Let's see.
That's weird.
It's weird.
You hear the noises.
Oh, the noise is weird?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Our dad's toes are rotten.
What?
Our dad's toes are rotten.
Your dad's toes are rotten, huh?
Yeah.
I'm glad. I'm sure he loves you telling that to people.
I'm gonna go to the doctor. See someone about that.
I don't say it to other people.
Oh, just to us?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Or maybe just one time.
Are they just smelly or what?
No.
No.
I'm watching Mr. Scott
Oh, you are? Am I interrupting you watching Mr. Scott?
because I want to watch what he's doing.
Okay.
All right. So unfortunately, it looks like we're gonna have to. What side is this thing? Oh, that's right. The seatbelt does go on this side. Like so. Missing a bolt. You see right there? Can you hand me that? Right, nope, the big one right there. That's it. Thank you, Quincy. All right, should be good there. All right.
So you found the piece?
Nope.
What are you doing?
I'm putting it back together because I still have to put it back together.
You could just set it in there and put the top up.
Yeah, but it's still I can put it back together without replacing the peak. Because I can, once the seat's together, I can still take and put the thing back in.
This seat is wet.
Yeah, it is. That's why it needs replaced. But I'm just gonna fix the one that we got because I've got that belt material that I got for fixing the chairs, and I'm just gonna make that work with some epoxy.
If I can get my little paragraph, my little paper road, then I can go maybe look for it.
Then that we can put it in your other one. It'll still fix this. Believe me, it'll be better. It'll actually be better than the freaking
No doubt.
than that. No, I mean no better than it'd be better than what Porsche made. It's not going to be reliant on rubber. It's going to be reliant. It's still going to have stretch to it and give. It's just not going to break ever.
We got another guest coming.
Hi, Graham. I'm watching Mr. Scott.
All right, watch out.
I want my Spider-Man bike the other day. The bounce bike.
What's wrong, Graham?
He was just riding here.
Yeah, he looks really upset. There's always like that, Graham.
Hey, can you hand me that right there by your foot? Yep. Thank you.
Mr. Scott, do you like this yellow cow?
Yeah, that's a Hummer. It's really cool.
Oh, come on.
Yep.
What does it carry?
That one, not very much. It's an electric vehicle.
Also, I found a skateboard in the back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Also, Daniel, he could do a cool trick. Also, this guy at the skate park can do the same trick as Daniel.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
It's weird.
Yeah.
One thing, Caleb.
He's out with his car trying to get the emissions done on it so that he can drive it.
Well, when he comes back, I'll say hi to him.
Okay.
And start talking to him, Mom. I like talking to Daniel and Caleb.
Yeah.
Also, we have play, and I just got finished making my second octopus.
Oh yeah.
Also, I have 2.
So you want to come over here and see this towel? Look what happened to the wood. To the blanket in the towel. And there's no seat right there. Yeah, that's...
Those are neighbor kids that kind of adopted us, especially my oldest son.
But now it's one seat is not enough.
There we go.
Graham, you know I could tell you a fast way?
Hey, let's not go. Hey, you don't need to go over there, okay?
Let's get over here.
Yeah.
Do you have any honeysuckles?
Honeysuckle. Oh, honeysuckles?
Yeah.
I don't think so. No, we don't.
Do you have any Hot Wheels?
No, we do not have any Hot Wheels.
I wonder when you'll get.
We got a wedding on Caleb's cow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard about that.
Hey,
Was that fun?
Yeah.
on
Also,
the
we.
box.
Yeah. Also, I know when you're gonna get Hot Wheels for us
Oh yeah.
tomorrow. So could you get 2 for Grandma?
Give me that right there. Perfect. Thank you. Me? I'm not getting Hot Wheels. Caleb get Hot Wheels. That's on him.
Oh.
So you have to ask him.
I asked Caleb, could you get 2 Hot Wheels for me? Also, he's thinking about that.
Yeah.
Also, do you
Still
have
thinking about that.
99 a 91 license plate?
A 91 license plate?
Yeah.
What is that?
I think it's a license plate. We need it for a Toyota.
Yeah.
Oh.
So could you find it after you fix this?
License plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have a license plate for your Toyota. Sorry.
But could you look for one after this?
Caleb said that he saw a Boxer license plate.
Yeah,
So could you try to find one after you fix this seat?
maybe.
Yay.
But if you can't find it, well, that's fine.
Yeah. Also, in June, July, we'll come to your house and come in.
Okay, you will.
Yeah. Also, it's June right now. Also, I'm so happy. So, when it's July, I would be super excited so I could come in your house.
Who said you could come in my house?
I asked Mom, and she said yeah in June, July.
Oh, okay.
Also, Caleb's planning to give Quincy
Yeah, watch out, bud. I got a camera going right there behind your head.
a piggy bank.
A piggy bank.
Ah!
Yeah, let's watch out. Let's get out of there.
Why do you have so much stuff in your garage?
Yes, do. We have a lot of stuff.
Also, I'll come up to your daughter's room and I'll knock on her door and I'll see if she opens her door and I'll say
How
hi.
do
Hand me those screws right there.
How do we get in your house without bothering your dogs?
Yeah, don't.
But how do we
Get that screw right there.
How do we get in your house?
You don't.
Do we get in the front door?
You guys aren't gonna be coming in our house unless your mom comes with you. All right. And you have to ask Samantha, my wife, if it's okay with her. Okay.
Okay. When she comes out, I'll ask.
Well, it's not gonna be today.
Also,
Mhm.
I just hugged Daniel and Caleb for some reason.
You hug them?
Yeah, 'cause I like them.
Yeah, that's a good thing. They're good kids.
Also, I wasn't scared to do that. I
Yeah.
feel like doing that, so I did.
Okay.
Why is
I saw you go watch.
Caleb's why does his
Hand me that screwdriver right there, Buzz. One of you,
Me?
whoever. Thank you.
why does Caleb's birthday in August?
Because that's when he was born.
Graham's birthday is in August too. Also,
It
I
is.
saw your garage still open.
Also, on
Oh,
my
yeah?
cousin's birthday month is in August too.
It is.
Yeah, but mine is.
People.
I forget what my birthday is.
You forgot when your birthday is? Uh-oh.
20 July. It's 20 July. I think.
20 July, huh?
Maybe. My bike always fits on. Actually, it fits on too. A bud was kind of too close to me. Also, I felt the AO.
You did.
Yeah, it was so cool.
All right, there we go. There we go. Gotta get the last couple screws there. We should be set. Not certain what that is. Oh, maybe that's what that one thing is. So this was supposed to go in there. It's broken.
You're just talking to yourself because it wasn't there.
Yeah, talking to the camera.
Why were you?
Talking to the camera?
Yeah.
Because I'm making a video to show people how to do this themselves.
My Ludo da.
So what now?
I said Ludo da.
Oh.
Graham, Mr. Sky is making a video how to do this. If a car seat is broken. Graham, I'll show you something. In order to just go over it.
that in there. Just gotta take. Hopefully that works still.
And you were talking to the camera again.
Yes, I was.
Yeah.
That's on. Okay, so it looks like we got everything in. Where's that one? Oh, sorry, I gotta get these 2 pieces pushed in here. Lock those pins in. There we go. Looks like those are pretty squared up. Huh, that's interesting. Hey, what's up? Sorry, my kids called me. Just got everything wrapped up, everything's buckled up, everything's tightened up. So we should be able to throw this in the Porsche, and we'll just leave it, won't bolt it in, just get everything buckled up for the night so it doesn't get rained on, and then I'll start working on getting the suspension fixed in it. All right, so we're yesterday with having those neighbor kids over and my kid and everyone's talking all that stuff, I went ahead and just finished doing what I was doing. That's not very good lighting. There we go. So I ended up just taking, here we go. I had put some what's it called, epoxy on that stuff. Probably not gonna work, but we're gonna see what we ended up with. All right, that's on here. Whatever. Freaking tripod doesn't want to cooperate today. I knew the cardboard would stick to it a little bit. It's fine, I'll just pull that off. Well, I use cardboard instead of something stiffer. Well, it's bonded fairly good. And I was going to take and throw some stitching, or got that canvas or that sew kit that I use. What the heck did I use it on? Oh, on the top for this. Well, it looks like it's bonded pretty good. I think we'll just go ahead and go with this. Pull the seat out. It's got a decent amount of flexibility in it still. That's rigid, but it's not going to have much stretch. So hopefully I got it set up right for the right length, and it's kind of not equal. Damn. So it's going to go against. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so we go this. There's got these hooks right here. Okay, that's where it goes in. Well, not up. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't feel that. I got a switch to get it up there. More easy. Right away. Part 2 is kind of describing it. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not good there. So I'm going to dive. I got to every spot I'm going to go to. And just a second. That one. That one. Yeah, that's 1, 2. I got the rest of them. Okay, so we got it all zipped. I don't know where the battery died at, but this is how we got it. Should hold better than it was, at least. Yeah, I won't be able to get it underneath there, but it's good enough, I hope. So I'll get the seat put in and see how it feels. First thing you gotta do is find the damn clips here, or the plugs, and get that plugged in. So this way, I think. Huh? Yeah. All right, that's plugged in. All right, it's about rainy time now, so we're only got 4 bolts left. These are started. Seriously, I thought this was 13. It is not. All right, let's look at the right size. I think it's 15. I've only got a few seconds left on my freaking, or a few minutes left on my SD card too. I really don't want to get another one. Or clear stuff out. I just want to get this finished. There we go. There we go. It does work better than the other one did for sliding back. All right. All right, I got some finagling to do. Well, as you can see, it's raining. I had to get the Porsche cover back up real fast, so I just stopped recording. Everything is going pretty good. I've only got a few minutes left on this SD. It shut down pretty quick on me. So yeah, everything works. I fixed the only thing that wasn't working was the electric seat back. I had to pull the lever off, readjust it, put it back on. Everything works. Seat's a lot more supportive than it was. Slides a lot easier. So there we go. That's a success. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And at the end of the day, if you're not dirty, you're not doing it right. Y'all have a good one. Literally got done just in time. It's starting to hail now. Wonderful. Luckily, these two are covered. The boy's car, and I'm not worried about that, but the wife, the one I'm really worried about is the wife. Because this is ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna go under the porch. Jesus. Fucking Christ. They're not big, but it's a lot.